Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download closed captions into DaVinci Resolve for export, complete guide step by step clearly. To download closed captions into DaVinci Resolve for export, start by opening your DaVinci Resolve project. Navigate to the media pool in your project to import the video you want to add captions to. Once your video is in the media pool, locate the video file and double-click to open it in the timeline. Next, you need to import the caption file you want to use. Go to the top menu and click on File, then select Import and choose Subtitles. Locate the caption file on your computer, select it, and click Open. Drag the subtitle file onto the timeline, positioning it directly above the video track. You will now see the captions overlaying your video in the timeline. To adjust the timing of the captions, select the subtitle track and move the clips as needed. If you need to edit any captions, simply double-click the text in the viewer. Make your necessary adjustments and save changes to your captions. Once you are satisfied with the captions, it's time to export your project. Go to the Deliver page by clicking on the rocket icon at the bottom of the interface. In the Deliver page, choose your desired export format and settings. Make sure to enable the subtitle option, selecting the appropriate file format for your captions. Finally, click on Add to Render Queue and then start the rendering process. Your video with closed captions is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.